Hi everyone, this video will give you some extra information for the 6-1 short answer chain of inquiry assignment. The instructions that you are provided ask you to reflect on the concepts in the module resources and address the short answer questions. To find those questions, you will need to look in the Module 6 Short Answer Guidelines and Rubric PDF document. So for this assignment, you'll be using what you learned in reading the article, A Review of Facebook Research in the Social Sciences, to answer 3 questions. The first question is, how does social science inquiry advance and evolve over time? So for this, you're going to be discussing how social science inquiry has changed through the years. How have we asked questions differently? How have we examined things differently? What has helped elevate all of this to different levels than what it was even 5-10 years ago? The second question is, why is it important that our understanding of the social science concepts continue to develop and expand? So you will need to talk about why it's important that the social sciences continue to develop and change. Why are all these changes important to the future of the social sciences? Your last question will be, consider the question you posed in the observation journal that you submitted in Module 4. How could others build upon this question through additional research or follow-up questions? So the first key point of this is that you will be using your question that you posed in your Project 2 assignment. This question came from Section 4. To refresh your memory, it was this section of Project 2. So make sure that you go back to Project 2 and take a look not only at the question you posed in that assignment, but also at the feedback you received regarding that question. If your feedback is asking you to revise your question, you will need to make changes to that question before you use it in this assignment. You're going to take your question, either the one that was approved in Project 2 or your revised question, and you are going to discuss how others could build upon your question with further research or additional questions. In The Pursuit of Ignorance, we learned about how one question will often lead to another question and to another question. So you'll be using what you learned to discuss how others could build upon your question. Remember that you are submitting this as a Word document. You will need 1 to 2 paragraphs per question. It's also important that you make sure your responses are clearly identified. It'll make it easier for me to see what information you've attributed to each section if you make sure that that's clear. Remember that you need to check your progress to feedback before you answer Part 3 of this assignment. So this assignment is due by 11:59 p.m. in your time zone on Sunday of week 6. Remember that if you have any questions, you can post them to the general questions discussion board, or you can send me an email. Thanks for watching.